Hello and welcome to the studio. Now, listen, it's currently Friday, the 28th of March 2025, and I'm just getting myself all set up for tomorrow's big workshop. Yes, we are celebrating 5 years of teaching virtual watercolor workshops. Yes, 5 years ago this all began, so tomorrow's the big day. And I've just been having a look here at all the past paintings. It's amazing what we've done. That was the shambles that we did recently, and let's have a look at some of the. Now this is going back to 2020. We did the one of the cherry blossom there, so it's wonderful what we've done in all this time. The heron there from 2022. There's a post box with the daffodils there from 2023. So yeah, it's been a brilliant 5 years, and thank you so much for your continued support. That was the toy shop that we did there. What else have we got here? That's an early one from 2021. Cherry blossom in a Japanese oriental kind of garden. The red squirrel. You can see we've covered such a massive variety of subjects in that time. But what's been your favourite? That's the thing to say. There's the Irish landscape of the Wicklow Mountains there. It's amazing. Stonehenge in watercolours we did. We've done some wonderful paintings, haven't we? The owl and poppies. But the workshop that's taking place, that's a nice one. 2022. The festive one from 2023 there. Chats within the autumn. Look. Harvest Mouse from 2021. But tomorrow, that was still live from 2020. Tomorrow, which of course is Saturday the 29th of March, that's where we're going to be painting in a special workshop to celebrate 5 years. So as well as doing a wonderful painting, a sketching lesson, a painting with a downloadable drawing of the Orient Express leaving Paris with the Eiffel Tower in the background. It's going to be a lovely one. We're also going to be doing a bit of a virtual hangout as well. So after the workshop's ended, you're welcome. It's optional to stick around, and we'll have a little bit of an after workshop celebration. I'm also giving away some wonderful prizes, 2 original watercolor paintings of mine, as well as a signed, a special 5th anniversary signed book as well. I'm giving away. Now this is the materials that you need for the workshop tomorrow. So we've got the Matthew Palmer colours, the natural blue, yellow, light and white, and we've got some red there as well. Just kind of 3 primary colours and 3 brushes, large, medium, small, round brushes. That's it. Pencil, ruler, razor. I'll go through the sketch, but we'll also obviously do the sketch as a downloadable option as well. So if you don't want to do the drawing, you can just basically just enjoy it. Once it's done, you can download it. It's a great way to do it. I want to show you how to book. We've got literally a handful of spaces left for the workshop. Jump onto the website, and at the top of the website you'll see a big flashy button that says 5th anniversary workshop. Click on that one, and here is the information. Saturday the 29th of March, paint the famous Orient Express en route from Paris in watercolours, 5th anniversary workshop, including £250 giveaway. Just simply add to basket. So yes, you can see the countdown right there. If I just sort of zoom into that a little bit, you can see the countdown. 16 hours and 14 minutes is when it's all kicking off. So that's pretty exciting. Now, something else you might want to add to your basket on Watercolour TV while you're checking out for the workshop is what's coming up next weekend. So Sunday the 6th, back to Sundays, which is the normal day for these workshops. Sunday the 6th is another special one. This is one that you guys have asked for. Paint a colourful sunflower still life inspired by Vincent van Gogh's famous sunflower painting, of course, in watercolours. Watch live or anytime, keep forever. That's the secret. Again, onto the website. You can book this dead easy by going to the workshop page, coming down to live virtual watercolour workshops. Just click on that basically, and then you can see that you can book both the Orient Express one here, and then next door to it you've got the sunflower one that's coming up on the 6th as well. That's going to be something very different and something very enjoyable. It's going to be nice. We are starting the 5th year in style, so do please book on for tomorrow's workshop. We've literally got 6 or 7 spaces left or something like that. It starts at 10 AM UK time, but remember, you don't have to be there live. It's basically yours to keep forever, so you can watch it anytime you like. There's a live chat available. It's such a great way to just get the paint flowing with very minimal materials, and yes, you can produced watercolour paintings like some of these belters that we've done. Look at that, the view through the window that we did. A sunflower with a bumblebee years ago that we did. Let's have a look what we've got here. The old watermill there. The lockkeeper's cottage. We've got the dragonfly on flowers. Chatsworth keeps popping its head up, don't it? What have we got here? The watermill in the winter there, look. That was the Christmas cards that we did. Let's have a look what we've got down here. Let's have a little rummage deep down. There you go. We've got the silver birch trees with the snowdrops. What else have we got here? A bit of a sort of garden type scene there. And this was kind of one of the first ones we ever did, which was the sunset by the lake. I mean, these things wait on. It's been a right journey, and thank you for being around for those 5 years. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, the 29th. So get yourself booked in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.